Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my Christmas special videos. Brussels sprouts. They always get a bad rap this time of year, especially from the kids. So in this fifth of my Christmas videos, I'll be showing you how we prepare our Christmas dinner sprouts, and our customers and family love them. I realise this recipe has become quite popular in recent years, but we've been doing these from as far back as I can remember. And here's a very short list of the ingredients needed for this simple but delicious recipe. Right, this recipe will serve 4 adults easily. And what I've got here is 450 grams, that's 1 pound of Brussels sprouts, which I've washed and trimmed the stalks off. You can cut the little crosses in the stalks if you want, like my mother used to do, but it's not really necessary on sprouts of this size. Onto the bacon. I'm using 6 rashers of unsmoked streaky bacon, which I'll cut into small strips or lardons as shown. The weight of the bacon is 125 grams, that's 4.5 ounces. Whatever bacon you use, whether it's smoked or unsmoked, make sure it has a little bit of fat on it. And that's everything prepared. I'll get the sprouts on the heat, and to save time I've put hot water in the sprout pan. And I light the gas under the frying pan and let it heat up for a couple of minutes. And also you don't need any oil or fat in the frying pan, as the bacon will cook in its own fat. Right, it's been a couple of minutes, so I can start to fry the bacon pieces in the hot pan. Keep an eye on the sprouts. As soon as it reaches a steady boil, I'll have to set the timer for 5 minutes, and that's all they need. And there it is, starting to boil, so I'll get the lid on and set the timer for 5 minutes while I finish off frying the bacon until it becomes nice and crispy. Note how much fat is rendered from the bacon, and that fat will provide a lot of flavour to this dish. OK, the 5 minutes are up, so I'll carefully drain the sprouts into the sink. Once all the water has been shaken off, I'll get the sprouts into the frying pan and give that a quick stir. Once that's done, I'll add the 30 grams, that's 1 ounce of my homemade butter. If you would like to know how I make this butter, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now I'll give that a good mix and toss so all of the sprouts get a good coating of that tasty bacon fat and butter. And to finish the dish off in the pan, I'll add a good sprinkle of sea salt. You can use ordinary table salt if you prefer, but I think the larger salt crystals look better and taste better. And of course a good helping of black pepper from my fancy new battery operated pepper mill. And that's it. The sprouts are now ready to go into a serving dish. OK, I'll just add another pinch of sea salt and black pepper to finish it off. And that's how you turn a plain, boring vegetable like the humble Brussels sprout into something special that I'm sure everyone will enjoy. Well, apart from my grandson Michael, he wouldn't eat one if it was the last morsel of food on the planet. Well, I hope this has given you some inspiration to try this as part of your Christmas dinner, as I'm pretty sure you'll give it the thumbs up too. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.